Okay guys, on this particular video right here, we're going to do a little customization with our plugins or effects. Now, if you come right up here, you see where effect is. If you look at mine, you'll see that there's a lot I've taken out. You're just not going to need them. Okay. Now also down here where it says VST, these are nothing but third-party plugins. You can get them free. A lot of websites, you just go up there and you download them. A VST is a third-party plugin, but with Audacity, because it's a 32-bit system, you must make sure that it's a 32-bit plugin. Okay? Now, just to show you an example, this here is simply for adding reverb. But the way that you can do this, and there is two ways. You can come up here where it says Add Remove Plugins, and you can enable them or disable them. But what happens is if you disable them, they're still going to show in that great long list, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to actually remove them from Audacity, okay? It's real simple to do, guys. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come up here to Effects, and you want to make a list of everything you want to keep. Okay? And if you look right here next to them, you'll see these are what they refer to as hotkeys. You would hold down Control plus the letter Z, and it would bring up your equalization. So anytime you see these numbers, that's what that means. Okay? So let's go ahead and go on down now I'm using Windows 8. So mine is going to be under my PC. Okay, guys, so here we are. I'm in my C drive for Windows. Now, because Audacity is a 32-bit plugin, all your programs that are 32-bit, you're going to find where it says x86. And where are we at? And there we are right there. Now, what you're going to do is come up here to where it says Plugins. If it's not on your list, just highlight it and delete it. Okay? Now, here's another thing you can do too. You can come up to where it says Select All, and you can copy every one of these and then put them in a different folder in case you mistakenly take out one that you truly wanted to keep. That's your safest bet. Okay? But this is where you'll find all your plugins. So, like I said, if you come down here and you do all that, that way when you go back into Audacity, you won't have to go through those great big long lists to where you have them all and to where they look like this. See, I did the same thing with Nyquist. These are the three things that I keep in here. I keep the ACX check, the replay gain, and this is where Audacity, this is version 2.1.3, I think. Yeah, 2.1.3. Okay? That's it. Take care. God bless. And we are out of here.